What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, when it comes to Musa Mseleku's wives, all like five of them, the most vocal of them all is Mayeni. And during a diary session, Mayeni was talking left, right, and center and pointing fingers at Mseleku and saying that you did not tell us that you were going to introduce wife number five at the ceremony. Not only that, just after that ceremony, there was a meeting that was held, and Mayeni kept on questioning Musa Mseleku. And finally, Musa Mseleku had had enough of Mayeni and told her straight that she's just been talking a lot. And in talking a lot, she has absolutely said nothing. So that was Musa Mseleku's response to Mayeni. You could see that he was actually like tired of continuously listening to Mayeni and ended up feeling that let me just respond back to her with the same energy. The challenge now that was occurring was that Mayeni was sort of like challenging Musa Mseleku in front of his wives. So if he let that behavior to continue, other wives would like pick up from that and start to treat Musa Mseleku in the same way. So Musa Mseleku had to put a stop to all of that. And he did that very, very quickly and in a like dignified manner. That's what I liked the most. He didn't like go all the way to embarrass Mayeni, but she just more like telling her to stop. And the good thing is that Mayeni also responded back by stopping.